My dearest of friends, I'm Jesse with Living Tree Community Foods, coming to you from the heart of Berkeley, California, a center of innovation and creativity. Minutes from here is the great university. More Nobel Prize winners have taught there than in any other university anywhere. And today we're going to be making a Waldorf salad, exemplifying aliveness and vivacity. That's what we're here to do, especially in times such as these. So let's begin with an Arkansas black apple. This is an all-time variety. It's very dense, superb flavor, alive and organic, but of course, and we're going to be dicing this wonderful apple. And here we go. We're always talking about vivacity and aliveness. The nutrient value of foods is, of course, very, very important, but we're much more concerned with the life force, the aura, the energetic level that permeates and surrounds foods, and that's why we follow a raw, alive, organic for 6 days a week. I eat alive organic food. I also fast. I do intermittent fasting for 1 day a week, and that works for me. So here we go with our diced apple. Okay, and now we're going to be adding some chopped walnuts. These are grown by a local family farmer and are simply magnificent. So, some diced walnuts. Okay. And let's And now, next, alive organic celery. This is just magnificent. It's almost a tree, I think you will admit, filled with vivacity and life force, orgone energy, if you will. So let's go ahead and let's be vivacious, as we must be in times such as these. And I cannot help but speculating, when are we going to go back and find ourselves worthy of leadership such as Thomas Jefferson, Abraham Lincoln, and Franklin Roosevelt? The times demand and call for this, for leaders of this stature, of this capability. Okay. And next we have some grapes. These are organic, but of course California grapes, and we have sliced them in half. So we're going to add sliced grapes to the salad. And then one more ingredient. It's not Waldorf. This is the very last corn of the sweet corn of the season. It's grown by our friends, Full Belly Farm. Wonderful, magnificent California family farmers, among the very, very best. A privilege to work with them indeed. So we cannot help. It's sweet corn is not part of a Waldorf salad, but why not? And now for the fun part of and now I'm sure, as you're asking, what about the salad dressing? Well, normally mayonnaise is used, but we're not going to go in that direction, not at all. We're going to put some spring water in a blender. Cup of spring water, and instead of mayonnaise, we're going to be using our Living Tree cashew butter. And how about a lemon? And how about some Royal Himalayan pink crystal salt. Okay. Voila! We have a magnificent salad dressing. And now how about, what do you say to putting this on a bed of romaine lettuce? And here we have it, my dearest friends, a Waldorf salad augmented with California-grown sweet corn in a bed of romaine lettuce. Vivacity, life force, streaming, flowing, quaking, aliveness. That's what we've got to exemplify in times such as these. So you might want to hit the subscribe button down below and maybe even give us a like. Your comments, suggestions, and critiques are invaluable to us. We treasure them. Let us hear from you soon, and you might want to perhaps visit our website, livingtreecommunity.com. Our privilege and pleasure to share with you, brothers and sisters. Let us go forward.